Have you ever been in the middle of a text conversation and suddenly your blue iMessage bubble turns green? It's frustrating, right? It could mean your message didn't get sent or that something's wrong with your connection. Well, I'm going to show you how to fix that and get those blue bubbles back in just a few minutes. First, let's start with the most common fix. We're going to dive into your iPhone settings. Open up the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Apps, and now find the Messages application. Tap on that. About halfway down, you'll see iMessage. Toggle the setting off and then toggle it back on. This essentially gives your iMessage a quick restart. You'll see you waiting for activation for a moment. This simple trick fixes the problem a lot of the time, so give it a few seconds to reactivate. Method number 2, check your internet connection. If that didn't work, the next step is to check your internet connection. Since iMessage sends text over the internet, a bad Wi-Fi or cellular signal can be the cause of your green bubble woes. Open your web browser like Safari or Chrome and search for speed test. Run the test to see how fast your connection is. If your download speed is a few megabytes per second or higher, you should be good to go. If it's slow, try turning your Wi-Fi off and then back on, or switch to cellular if you have it. Method number 3, reset network settings. Still no luck? Don't worry, we have another option for you. A full network settings reset can often clear up any stubborn connection issues. Go back into your main settings. Let's back out of here. Tap on General. Scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. And then select Reset Network Settings. You'll be prompted to enter your passcode. This will erase all your saved Wi-Fi passwords and network preferences, but it won't delete any of your photos, apps, or other data. It's a powerful way to get your network back in top shape. The final answer, it might not be you. If you've tried all these steps and your message is still sending as green bubbles to one specific person, there's a good chance the problem isn't with your phone. It's most likely with theirs. Their phone might be out of battery, have airplane mode on, or they might just have their Wi-Fi and data turned off. For iMessage to work, both people need a working internet connection. So if your message is still green, they may need to go through these steps on their phone. Ever wondered if someone blocked you on iMessage? Check out this video to learn how.